Welcome. Today, we're walking through a simple and handy trick. How to duplicate a PDF file right from the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you want to create a backup, make edits without altering the original, or just organize your files better, knowing how to copy files inside Dropbox on your phone can save you time and hassle. Let's jump in. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. You'll land on the main screen where all your files and folders are ready to access. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Files tab and tap it. This is where you'll find all your documents, including that important PDF you want to duplicate. Next, scroll through your list of files until you find the PDF you want to make a copy of. When you see it, look to the right side of the file name for the three dots icon. This is your file's options menu. Tap on those three dots to reveal a list of actions you can take. From the options that pop up, select Duplicate. This will start the process of copying your PDF. After you tap Duplicate, the app will ask you where you want to save the new copy. You can choose the same folder the original is in, or select a different folder to keep things organized exactly how you want. Once you've picked the destination folder for your duplicated PDF, just tap Duplicate again to confirm. In a moment, you'll see the new copy appear in the folder you chose, ready to be renamed, shared, or edited independently of the original. And that's all there is to it. Duplicating a PDF in Dropbox on your mobile device is fast, straightforward, and a great way to manage your files efficiently. Whether you're working on the go or just want a simple way to make backups, this feature is definitely one to keep in your toolbox. Thanks for watching.